Ang ating order today, chicken katsu doon, akaichi ramen, and Coke Zero. Ayun na po tayo. Magkakape po muna tayo kasi yung class ko sa Fitness First ay alauna pa. So hanap muna tayo ng kape para magising-gising pa. While I'm drinking my coffee and looking at the empty streets outside, and walang katao-tao. I think the Holy Spirit put it in my mind, in my heart, to talk about Sabbath day. It's also included in the Ten Commandments, di ba, na Jesus, the Lord wants us to keep the Sabbath day holy. It's not just a rule for me. Kahit siguro hindi Christians or hindi believer or hindi nagbabasa ng Bible would agree na Sunday is a time for recharge. When you talk about it in a Christian sense, you pause one day in a week to rest. That rest, you should also commit to the Lord. Pray to God, spend more time with Him so that He give you blessings and provision for the next week. So, let's see kung tayo ba ay papayat. Every week mag-update po ako. Ayan. Sobrang pawis. Pero kakain ulit ako mamaya. So, babaliwala din. Wish me luck this week. Magda-diet na din ako para pumayat na tayo.